Maple TA End of Semester Summary Assignment Question number 17. Consider the following. A of P, R, N, and T equals P times the quantity 1 plus R over N raised to the quantity N times T, where the variables have the following meaning. A is the amount accumulated, P is the principal, R is the interest rate, N is the compoundings per period, and T is the number of periods. Find the value of the function when P equals 550. R equals 4%, N equals 12, and T equals 12, and then round to the nearest whole number. So I'm going to do like I did in the previous example and just select this, and you'll notice that I can't right click and do copy, so I'm going to do Shift C or Command C depending on what type of computer you have, and then select any sort of cell in Microsoft Excel and come over here to paste, which is Command V or Shift or Control V, and then just make sure that I have all of my format correct. So I'll see when I pasted it over here, the division is gone, so I need to make sure that I put R over N. And this all needs to go into the exponent, so I'm going to do Shift 6 for the exponent, but make sure both N and T go in there. So I'm going to put parentheses around those, and then just substitute. So P equals 550, so we'll put that in here. R is 4%, so changing that to a decimal is 0.04. N is 12, so we'll replace that with 12. N is still 12, and then T is also 12, but I need to make sure that I tell Excel that I need to multiply between these two, and put 12, and one more. It doesn't know to multiply in between the number and the parentheses. Make sure everything else is in here. Make sure you don't have any spaces so that it won't get confused. I do have these weird large parentheses. I don't think it's going to affect anything, but I'm going to change them just in case. I think it'll be just fine. But let's press enter and just see if the formatting worked. There we go. So I round to the nearest whole number. It gives me 888. And there's my answer right there.